Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1972 Chevelle. This is a really cool car. Originally was a 350 power plant, but they've fitted it with a 454 12-bolt rear end and a 5-speed transmission. It does have disc brakes in the front and drums in the rear. We just recently did a major service on this vehicle, so we checked all the brakes, fluids, filters. We tuned it up. We adjusted the ignition timing, and now it runs unbelievable. What we have here is a chromed out 454 mated to an Edelbrock carburetor. You have a chrome power brake assist system. You've got your vacuum tank here because it has a large cam. So what we're gonna do after we walk around, we'll start it up and we'll go for a test drive. The paint on it, I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's really, really nice. There are imperfections right here. It's a little bit of a imperfection on the paint right here, and then there's some small scratches here. If I didn't show them to you, you would never notice them. Also on the quarter over here, just one small imperfection. Let's get back to that side, and what we'll do is we'll go from panel to panel and we'll talk about the quality of this car. Front quarters look great. You got your set of Krager wheels with Eagle GT2s on there with 90% tread. Let me close the hood. Motor is extremely healthy. I'd say easily 400 horsepower. You've got yourself some hood pins here. Really adds to the effect. All the chrome looks great. I don't see any chrome or pitting. And the front emblems look great as well. So they've made this look like an actual 454 SS, and they actually added some power features to it. So it's not a 10-bolt, it's a 12-bolt. When you go ahead and open up the interior, I want you to take note of how nice it is. You've got nice door cards. You've got a beautiful dash with a tachometer that operates as it should, and then you can see your 5-speed shifter there. The top is a power top, and it's recently restored, and it has a glass rear, so it's not plastic, so it's the nice version. When I open up this trunk, let's take a look at it. Extremely nice. You've got your stickers here. Paint flows through evenly. And then when you look at the trunk, you have a full-size spare along with your CD exchanger and your amplifier for your stereo. All the rubbers look great. So they're nice and soft. So they're going to seal up nicely. You're not going to have this trunk filled with water if you get stuck in the rain. As we walk down the passenger side, you're going to see that it shows very, very well in this Florida sun. All the wheels show excellent. There's no chroming or oxidation. I'm going to go ahead and open up this side so you can see inside here. Hold on, there we go. So when you look at a Chevelle, I want you to always look at the inside of the seat. That kind of tells you how they took care of it. Extremely clean and nice. And you've got your seat belts there, along with a GoPro that is not included. And a pillow. You get a pillow too. I'm going to go ahead and pop this top. Power top works as it should. No binding, no funny sounds. I'd say it takes about 20 seconds for it to go down. Maybe 30. Seals up nicely. We do not have a parade boot with it. The cool thing about this car is the documentation. So it's going to come with a leather-bound book that has all the receipts from the restoration. It was restored in the early 2000s, and they did an excellent job. The book is about this thick, and then you also have a box full of additional products that were made for this vehicle, extra parts when they were doing the restoration. What do you say I start this thing up? You get to hear it idle, and then we go for a ride. I'm not going to get inside of it when I start it. No gas needed. Sounds extremely healthy. You can hear that cam rolling. That's at idle. And then what we'll do is we will disconnect this mic so you can hear it even better. But that sounds real good. about to go for a test drive in the 72. I want to start off with the gauges here. You've got your RPM gauge, your speedometer, 434 miles on the restoration is what I was told, but there's no way for me to prove that. You have your vintage radio, and then our oil pressure, we're not even at operating temperature yet, 65 pounds. The interior is extremely nice. You can see your 5-speed shifter, and they actually modified it so you could actually follow the pattern. Everything looks great. The interior looks great, very comfortable. You're not gonna have any issues with falling into the seat. All the windows go up and down with ease. Let's go ahead and go through the gears. All right, you ready to try it out? Still spinning, 3rd gear. This thing is a rocket ship. If you're looking for some real fun, a lot of power, give us a call, 954-363-2261.